സർക്കാർ ജോലി നേടാൻ ഞങ്ങളുണ്ട് കൂടെ. റൂട്ടസ് കാലിക്കറ്റ്.
Through the textbook Early Human Life. 1. In which state is the Bhimbedka Cave, a notable among the Paleolithic centers of India? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. 2. Who is the scientist leading the mission to recreate the mammoth that lived many years ago? Answer is Tori Herage. 3. In which state is the site, Bagor, where evidence of the Mesolithic period has been found in India? Answer is Rajasthan. 4. Who is the author of the book, Man Makes Himself? Answer is Gordon Childe. 5. In which country is the area, Jarmo, which provides evidence of human life in Neolithic age? Answer is Iraq. 6. Which of the following areas is an example of a Chalcolithic age center? Answer is Mergad. 7. In which state is Hansagi, the Paleolithic age center of India? Answer is Karnataka. 8. In which state is Adamgarh, where the evidence of Mesolithic life was found? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. 9. During which period did agriculture and permanent settlement begin? Answer is Neolithic age. 10. Who is the author of What Happened in History, which gives information about prehistoric times? Answer is the Gordon Childe. 11. Edaikkal Cave in Kerala is an example of which period of people's life? Answer is Neolithic age. 12. In which state is the Neolithic center of Maaski? Answer is Karnataka. 13. The period when stones and copper were used was known as? Answer is Chalcolithic age. 14. Which of the following does not belong to the Paleolithic center? Answer is Mergad. 15. People of which period made flute-like wind instruments out of bones? Answer is Paleolithic age. 16. In which country is Lascaux Cave, where Paleolithic evidence is available? Answer is France. 17. Domestication of animals started in which period? Answer is Mesolithic age. 18. Which animal was first domesticated by man? Answer is dog. 19. Which period is also known as Microstone Age? Answer is Mesolithic Age. 20. In which period did the invention of wheel take place? Answer is Neolithic Age. 21. Who was the first person to tell the world about Edaikkal cave paintings? Answer is Fred Fawcett. 22. Where are lake villages found which provide information about Neolithic Europe? Answer is Switzerland. 23. Which was the first metal discovered by man? Answer is copper. 24. In which country was found the site, Catalhoyuk, which has evidences of human life in Neolithic and Bronze Age? Answer is Turkey. 25. During which period did agriculture become widespread? Answer is Neolithic Age. 26. Which of the following is not a Neolithic center? Answer is Erin. 27. In which period crude stone tools were used as weapon? Answer is Paleolithic Age. 28. In which period did the manufacture of pottery begin? Answer is Neolithic Age. 29. Which of the following is not a Neolithic center? Answer is Bhimbedka. 30. Which invention is described as a milestone in human progress? Answer is wheel.